Research suggests your daily cup of coffee may be doing more than just keeping you awake. It could also be supporting your cells and fighting the effects of aging. Scientists at Queen Mary University of London have discovered that caffeine activates a powerful energy sensor in cells called AMPK. This sensor helps cells manage stress, repair DNA damage, and regulate their growth, all of which are crucial for healthy aging. In this study, researchers used fission yeast, a microscopic organism that shares many key cellular systems with humans. They found that caffeine boosts AMPK activity, which acts like a fuel gauge, kicking in when a cell's energy levels drop. By flipping this cellular switch, caffeine helps cells stay resilient under stress, repair damage more efficiently, and grow in a healthier, more balanced way. This energy-boosting effect is especially important because AMPK is also a target of metformin, a common diabetes drug being studied for its potential to extend lifespan. The researchers had previously shown that caffeine interacts with another key aging pathway, TOR, target of rapamycin, which controls how cells grow based on available nutrients. But now it's clear caffeine also works through AMPK, offering a second pathway by which it might promote healthier aging.